Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will see exercise 3.7, the optional exercise of the chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10. So we will start with the first question. The ages of two friends, Annie and Biju, differ by 3 years. Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Annie and Biju. So here in this question, we have to find the ages of Annie and Biju. So we will take, let X years be the age of Annie. So we will take these two friends Annie and Biju's age we will take as X and Y, and Y years be the age of Biju. Now what is given the first question? The ages of the two friends Annie and Biju differ by 3 years. That is, the difference of their ages is 3 years. So we don't know who is elder, Annie or Biju, we don't know. So here we will have two cases, that is X minus Y is equal to plus or minus 3. If Annie is elder, then X minus Y you will get as plus 3. If Biju is the elder one, then elder person, then X minus Y is equal to minus 3. So here you will have two cases. So in this case you have to take X minus Y is equal to plus or minus 3. Now Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie. So what will be the age of Dharam? So next we are going to see age of Dharam in terms of Annie's age. Dharam is equal to twice as old as Annie. So Annie's age is X years. So the age of Dharam will be 2X. It is given that twice as old as Annie. And Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. So Kathy's age, how to find Kathy's age? It is given that Biju is twice as old as his sister. So Kathy will be, Kathy's age will be half of the age of Biju. Okay, so from this sentence we can find out the age of Kathy. So age of Kathy will be half of the age of Biju, that is Y by 2. Now it is given that the ages of Kathy and the Dharam differ by 30 years. So here we can take the difference of these two ages is given as 30 years. So we can take 2X minus Y by 2 is equal to 30. So here we will take left side, we will take 2 as LCM and we will simplify this. So 4X minus Y is equal to 60. So this is our first equation. We will take this equation as first equation, and here what we got, this is first equation and this we will take a second equation. Okay, so here we have got two cases. So first we will take case 1. So case 1 we will take the first equation as X minus Y is equal to plus 3. So in case 1 we will take X minus Y is equal to plus 3. So this is our first equation, and 4X minus Y is equal to 60 is the second equation. Now if you see, we will do elimination method. Here if you see, the coefficient of Y is same with the same sign. So we will do subtraction. So here we will do subtraction. So Y term will get cancelled and X minus 4X is minus 3X is equal to 3 minus 60, that is minus 57. From this you can find the value of X. X is equal to minus 57 by minus 3 which is equal to 19 years. So we got the value of X as 19 years. This value we will substitute in first equation. So substituting value of X, substituting value of X in equation 1. So you will get the value of y. So 19 minus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 19 minus 3 is equal to 16 years. So we got in this case, case 1, we got the age of Annie as 19 years and the age of Biju as 16 years. So this is case 1. Now we will have one more case, that is case 2. In case 2 we will take x minus y is equal to minus 3. So here we will take x minus y is equal to minus 3, and the second equation there is no change, the same equation we will take, that is 4x minus y is equal to 60. So this is case 2. Okay, now again we will simplify and we will, in case 2 we will get another set of values for x and y. So here also we will do elimination method. So we will change the sign of each term of the second equation. So this y will get cancelled. So x minus 4x is minus 3x is equal to minus 63. So x is equal to minus 63 by minus 3 is equal to 21 years. So x is equal to 21 years. This value we will substitute in first equation. Okay. So substituting value of x in equation 1. Value of x in equation 1. So here we will get 21 minus y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to 21 plus 3 is equal to 24 years. So in the second case, age of Annie will be 21 years and the age of Biju will be 24 years. So each case we got two set of values, 19 years and 16 years in first case and 21 years and 24 years in the second case. So this question you have to do like this. Okay. Now the next question, question number 2. Question number 2. One says, give me 100, friend. I shall then become twice as rich as you. The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount of their respective capital. Actually this question is from Bija Ganita from Bhaskara 2. So this question we will see how to do. So here we have two friends and they have some amount with them. Okay. So we will take that amount as x and y. So let x rupee be the amount with the first person. With the first person. And rupees y be the amount with the second person. So now you listen. So we have two person, first one and the first person and second person. And first person, the amount with the first person is x rupee and with the second person is y rupee. Now we will read the question. Give me 100. So first person says to the second person, give me 100. I shall be. So if the first person asking, if the second person gives 100 rupee to the first person. So this is the first case. So second person gives 100 rupees to the first person. What is the amount he will be having now? That is x plus 100, and the second person 100 rupees less, that is y minus 100. So this is the amount after the second person giving 100 rupees to the first person. So these will be the amount with the first person and the second person. Now what is the relation between these two amounts? That is given that I will be then twice as rich as you. So that is this amount will be 2 times this. So this is our first equation. X plus 100 will be twice of y minus 100. So we will simplify this. So we will get the first equation. So x plus 100 is equal to 2y minus 200. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 300. So this is the first equation. Now we will continue with the question. So case 2. the other replies, that is the second person replies, if you give me 10 rupee, so this if the first person is giving 10 rupee to the second person, then what is the amount the first person will have? X minus 10, and the second person will have Y plus 10. Now what is the relation between these two amount? I will be 6 times as rich as you. Who is telling this? The second person. So second person amount, that is Y plus 10, will be 6 times that of the amount with the first person. So this is our second equation. So we will simplify this. So y plus 10 equal to 6x minus 60. So the second equation you will get as 6x minus y is equal to 70. So this is the second equation. 6x minus y is equal to 70. Now we will solve these two so that we can find the value of x and y. So here we will do elimination method. So before doing elimination method, we have to make the coefficient of any one variable same. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply the first equation by 2 so that the coefficient of y will become same. Okay, so I am going to multiply equation 2 by 2, that is 12x minus 2y is equal to 140. So this is the new equation. Okay, then the first equation as it is, I can write x minus 2y is equal to minus 300. So now you see here the coefficient of y is same sign. So this term is having same sign. So I am going to subtract these two equations. Okay, I am going to subtract. So I will change the sign of each term of the second equation. So 12x minus x is 11x. These two will get cancelled. So 140 plus 300 is equal to 440. So x is equal to 440 by 11, which is equal to 40. So the amount with the first person. So actually x is the amount with the first person. So we got the amount with the first person as rupees 40. Now this value we will substitute in any one of the equation. We will substitute in second equation. So substituting value of x in equation 2. In the second equation we will substitute. Okay, so here 6x, that is 6 into 40 minus y is equal to 70. So here we will simplify 240 minus y is equal to 70. So minus y is equal to 70 minus 240. So 70 minus 240 is minus 170. So y is equal to rupees 170. So we got the value of y as 170 rupees. That is the amount with the second person is rupees 170. Now we will see the next question. Question number 3. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would be taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. So here we have to find the distance covered by the train. But since we need to get a pair of linear equations in two variables, what we will take as x and y. So x and y will be the speed and the time taken. So we will take x as the speed of the train and y as the time taken by the train. Okay, so let x kilometer per hour be the speed of the train and y hours be the time taken to cover a certain distance. So we have taken x and y as the speed and the time taken by the train to cover certain distance. Now here first one, we have to find the distance covered by the train. So what is the distance covered by the train then? What is the formula? Distance formula. is equal to speed into time. That is, speed we have taken as x and the time is y. So x into y. So xy is the distance covered by the train. Now we are going to derive pair of linear equations in two variables. So first, so if the speed is 10 km per hour faster, so that we can write as x plus 10. This is the new speed. Then it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. So here y is the scheduled time. So it will be 2 hours less. So the new time will be y minus 2 and it will reach that particular distance, that is xy. So this is our first equation. We will simplify this. That is xy minus 2x plus 10y minus 20 is equal to xy. So here xy will get cancelled and you will get minus 2x plus 10y is equal to 20. This is the first equation. Now the second situation is, and if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, so if the speed is 10 km per hour slower than the original speed, actual speed, then it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. So the time will be y plus 3 and it will reach the certain distance, that is the distance xy. So this is our second equation. Now we will multiply. So xy plus 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to xy. So here we can cancel this. So 3x minus 10y is equal to 30. So this is the second equation. So we got the two equations. Now we are going to solve this. That is minus 2x plus 10y is equal to 20 is the first equation and 3x minus 10y is equal to 30 is the second equation. Okay. So here we will do elimination. So I am going to add equation 1 and 2. If you add, this y term will get cancelled and here minus 2x plus 3x is x. So x is equal to 50. So x is actually speed of the train. So you will get the answer. Speed of the train as 50 km per hour. Now this value we will substitute in any one of the equation. In equation 1 we will substitute, that is minus 2 into 50 plus 10y is equal to 20. So 10y is equal to 20 plus 100, that is 120. So you will get the answer y is equal to 120 by 10 is equal to 12. So 12 hours. So y is nothing but the time taken by the train to cover a certain distance. So we got y is equal to 12 hours. So we got the speed and the time taken. Now actually we have to find the distance covered by the train. So distance covered by the train is equal to, the formula is we have taken here, xy equal to xy, which is equal to 50 into x is 50 and y is 12. So 50 into 12, that is equal to 600 kilometer. So the distance covered by the train is 600 kilometers. So this is how you have to do this question. Actually this question you can note down. This question is very important question. So today we have completed 3 questions in exercise 3.7. In my next video we will see the remaining question. So if you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, children.